सब्सक्राइब करें डीजी विद्या चैनल को और बेल आइकन को दबाइए लेटेस्ट एजुकेशनल वीडियो सबसे पहले देखने के लिए।
Hello friends, welcome to our channel Digividya, and many thanks of my subscriber for the 1k subscriber for my channel. Thank you so much. Today we are going to learn how to create a social media design for Instagram profile. So today I will make design for our doctors and COVID warriors social media post, and thanks you once again my subscribers. Thank you so much. So today class we are going to start. I'm going to create a new file. My file size will be 500 into 500. Then I press create. I want to make Instagram post design for COVID warriors. I press Ctrl R for make margin. So here is my margin, right? The next step is I want to make a rectangle first, and I'm going to direct selection tool, right? And then I want to create a rectangle for VG. So I make a rectangle here, right click arrange, send it to back, right? Now I want to apply gradient in tools, right? I make these two gradient color using Adobe Illustrator, and here I press Ctrl C and Ctrl V and change the color into white. The next step is I want to import an image, so go to file and place. I'm going to place an image here, and I want same design to be here. Right? Then I copy this one and then increase the size. Fine, I select all these tools and go to object and make mask and drag here. Fine. Fine. After that I want to make some circle here. Press Ctrl 2 for lock. I select all these circles and outline them, right? I just select these three circles and fill white color in it, right? So after that I want to write something. Fine. Now I want to make a rounded rectangle here and fill the color with this color, and go to text tool, right? Or just write down the step here, right? So here is my brand name. I just write down my brand name here and select the DG, change it to regular font, and I just change the color. Then after that I want to make a rounded rectangle here. I make a rectangle here and make a rectangle rounded like this. Go to direct selection tool, select all these anchor point and just right, and color change will be like this. Okay, then Ctrl C, Ctrl F, paste in front, scale down, and my gradient color will be flip. I write here some content. Okay, then the next step is fine. Here is my design for COVID-19. Then I want to make another design for Instagram, so I press Ctrl A for select all and go to lock all this selection. Then I go to artboard tool. Then I want to create a new artboard, and then go to artboard tool and just drag this artboard here. So I want to make a next design here. So for next design I just make a rectangle first and change the color into something like a reddish. I just make a rectangle and circle, then I make a circle here, and then I want to import an image here. Then I go to file and I want to import an image. So here is my image. I just copy this I just copy the top one, right click on it, arrange, bring into front, and here I select the image and select both and go to object, clip mask, make, and just drag this image here. And I have a brush tool. I select the color and I want to put design here. Right, I select all the dots and press Ctrl G and drag this dot here. Fine, and I select the image, right click the image and arrange this image and bring it to front. So here is my dot, and I just want to copy the logo first. I just copy this logo here. Alright, and my stay safe, just copy the stay safe, right click arrange, bring it to front and change the color of stay safe. I make a rectangle, flip black color in it, and I need a line here, and stroke color will be white, and go to stroke and arrow shape here and just scale down the arrow shape. Alright, and the next step is the COVID, and I drag this here and then copy, Ctrl F, paste in front, then I squeeze the size, change the color to yellow and go to effect, stylize, apply drop shadow here. Right, and now I want to, right, then what I do, I just make a circle, then the next step. So guys, here is my design for COVID warriors. So if you like my design, so please do like and subscribe my channel. So thank you very much.